You've now seen the ACAS booklet on performance management, so you understand both what it is and why it's important. I now want you to take you through the 5 stages of the performance management cycle. It starts with defining performance, clarity of expectations that are understood on both sides, both in terms of what they need to achieve, but also perhaps how they need to go about that. Secondly, it's setting them up for success. You might think, well, if I've defined what performance is required, surely that's everything, isn't it? Not necessarily. Sometimes setting up for success will mean what support do they need, perhaps from you or perhaps from other people within the organisation, or do they actually need to be left alone just to get on with it and with little interference? It will be around understanding how you're going to monitor the performance and the frequency of that, but it's anything that they may need in order to be successful. Thirdly, it's tracking the performance. You'll have set this up already, but you just need to make sure that that performance is tracked during the year, and then you review that performance on a regular basis. The annual appraisal is the culmination of those reviews, but you review it on an ongoing basis, and then you need to respond to the performance. If it's not on track, what do you need to do in order to get it back on track? It might be some development, or it might mean that circumstances have changed and you actually need to redefine the expectations. That's the performance management cycle. So if I can just recap what you need then in the appraisal meeting. It should have the objectives defined in terms of the what, i.e. the hard measures, the outputs that are required, the how, these are the competencies or the behavioural elements, i.e. how you want them to achieve those objectives, and then thirdly their personal development. This might be something they need in order to be successful, but it may also align to their career aspirations.